Hey there. If you're running a drywall repair service right now, I bet this sounds familiar. You've got the tools, you've got the skills, maybe even a few local customers, but the phone isn't ringing like it should. You're posting online, maybe handing out flyers, replying to Facebook groups, but the real growth, it's just not happening. So here's the truth no one really tells you. Being good at drywall repair is only half the battle. The other half is getting in front of the people who actually need your service before your competitor does. In 2025, speed and automation win. And today, I'm going to show you how the smartest drywall repair pros are using one tool to turn cold visitors into booked jobs without chasing leads or constantly being on the phone. Let's start by talking about what most business owners are doing wrong. Most still rely on word of mouth. They hope someone sees their number on Google and calls. But what happens? They miss the call. They don't follow up. And the customer, they move on to someone else, usually within minutes. This means you're losing money every time you're not fast enough to respond. But what if I told you there's a way to automate all of it? Imagine this. Someone finds your drywall service online. They click a simple link. They enter their name, their drywall issue, and location. Instantly, they get a message saying, "Thanks, your request is received." Then they get a calendar to book a time. You get a notification, "Job booked," while you're out on another repair. That's what automation does. And that's where funnels come in. Funnels are like your 24/7 salesperson. They capture the lead, answer basic questions, collect info, book a time slot, all before you even say hello. You don't need a big fancy website. You don't need a social media team. All you need is one solid converting funnel page. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but I'm not a tech guy. I don't have time to learn new tools. That's why I recommend FunnelFreedom. This is a platform built for service-based businesses like yours. It's not bloated, not complicated, and doesn't require coding. With FunnelFreedom.io, you can set up your entire funnel in under an hour, automatically respond to every lead via email or SMS, let customers request quotes or book appointments online, sync everything to your Google Calendar, track every job lead in one dashboard. No more juggling texts, forgetting to reply, or missing out on high-paying jobs. Let me share a real example. A local drywall repair pro in North Carolina was averaging 2 to 3 jobs a week. After setting up a funnel and connecting it to his Facebook and Google ads, he jumped to 9 to 11 jobs per week within a month. No staff increase, no burnout, just automation. And remember, this isn't about being tech savvy. This is about being smart with your time. Right now, you're doing everything. Quoting jobs, answering calls, replying to DMs, managing your schedule, working on walls. But your business doesn't grow when you're stuck in it. It grows when you step out and let systems take over the repetitive parts. Funnels don't just save time. They give your customers a smoother experience. And in 2025, customers expect that. They want fast replies. They want easy booking. They don't want to call 5 people just to patch a hole in the wall. So here's what I recommend. Go to FunnelFreedom.io and try it out. Even just one funnel page can make a huge difference. Put your best offer on that page. Drywall patching, same-day booking available. Add a short form, connect it to SMS and email, and let the funnel bring you clients. It's like hiring a full-time sales assistant without paying a salary. So here's your choice. Keep doing it all manually and stay stuck in the grind. Or build a system that books jobs for you while you're working, sleeping, or relaxing with family. That's what FunnelFreedom helps you do. That's the new way of growing a drywall repair business in 2025. If this video gave you value, go ahead and like it. And if you want more videos like this for service businesses, hit subscribe. Because next week, I'm going to break down how to create the perfect service offer, one that gets customers saying yes without hesitation. Until then, work smart, automate better, and patch up that lead flow just like you patch up those walls.